Right, so in this video we're going to do division again, but this time we're going to divide some decimals by a single digit. There's nothing to worry about, it's just exactly the same as dividing a whole number by a single digit, but we've just got a decimal point. So we set it up just like we would with a whole number, but making sure you put the decimal point there. And then all you need to do is up to where your answer would be, put the decimal point directly above it, and then you don't need to worry about anything else. I can't do 4 into 1, so I put 0 and I carry the 1. 4 into 10, so it's going to go up to 2 with a remainder of 2. 4 into 21, so we count up, so it's going to be 20 with a remainder 1, so we put a 5 there, move past the decimal point and we put a 1 there. 4 goes into 12 3 times. So 101.2 divided by 4 is 25.3. Okay, so do another one. 9 into 327.6. It's divided by 9, which is a challenge, but we've got our times table square, we've got our method, we'll be fine. Can I do 9 into 3? No. 9 into 32. So we can count up. So it's 27 is closest without going over, so we're going to have 3. And then 27 up to 32, so 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. We've got a remainder of 5. 9 into 57, so it's going to be 54. So we put a 6 there, I forgot to put a decimal point. 54 up to 57 is 55, 56, 57, so it's 3. And then 9 into 36 goes 4 times. So 327.6 divided by 9 is 36.4. So we'll do another one. This time I'll remember to put a decimal point in first. 7 into 1 doesn't go. 7 into 17. Now if we were to go and do this without our times table square, then we could start counting up in 7s. So 7, 14, and then it'll be 21, so I've gone above it. So it's going to be 2, 14 up to 17 will be 15, 16, 17, so it's a remainder of 3. 7 into 33, so we can do 7, 14, 21, 28, and then it's 35, it goes above it, so we go back to 28, so it's going to be 4. 28 up to 33, so 28, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33. So we can put a 5 there. And then 7 into 56, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56. So it's going to be 8. So 173.6 divided by 7 is 24.8. So to do another one, 8 into 1161.6. So the numbers are getting bigger, but that's no big deal. 8 into 1 doesn't go. 8 into 11, well, count up in the 8 times table, 8 and then 16 goes straight above it, so it must be 1 with a remainder of 8, 9, 10, 11, so 3. 8 into 36, let's count up in 8s, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. I've gone above the 36, so we go back to 32. So it's going to be 4 with a remainder of 32 going up to 36, so 33, 34, 35, 36. Remainder of 4. 8 into 41, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, and then 48. So it's gone above, so it's going to be 5. 40 to 41 is just 1, that's the remainder, and then 8 into 16 is 2. So 1,161.6 divided by 8 is 145.2. Okay, so I'm a little bit tricky about these two, but I'll explain it when we get there. 4 into 49.4. Does 4 go into 4? Yeah, it does. Goes perfectly. Just 1 decimal point. 4 goes into 9. 4, 8, 12, too far. So 4 and 8 is 2, with a remainder of 1. 4 into 14. 4, 8, 12, 16. So that's too far. So it's 4, 8, 12. So there's 3 4s in 14 with a remainder. This is the first time this has happened in these questions. I've got a remainder, but I've got nothing here. That's easy enough to fix. Just put a 0 in there and then put the remainder in. And that's it sorted. And then 4 into 20, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 5. So 49.4 divided by 4 is 12.35. So if you end up left with remainders and there's no numbers, just add in a 0, and then you can still use your remainders. So 8 into 186. You notice this isn't a decimal, but it does end up being a decimal answer. 8 into 1 goes 0 times. 8 into 18, 8, 16. So it's going to be 2, remainder 2. 8 into 26, so 8, 16, 24. So it's going to be 3 with a remainder of 2. Now, I don't have any place to put the remainders. Now here I added in a 0, but we were already beyond the decimal point. So if you're getting to this situation, you need to put a decimal point and then put a 0. And then that means the decimal point is going to go there. So 8 into 26 goes 3 with a remainder of 2. So 8 into 20, 8, 16 is going to be 2. And we've got a remainder again, so just add another 0. So remainder of 4. And then 8 into 40 goes 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So 5. So 186 divided by 8 is 23.25. So there's 2 ways of doing it. If you want to use your times table square, or you want to just count up in times table, I'm happy if you do either of them. So you know how to divide decimals by a single digit, and then you can know also how to deal with remainders. Okay.